friends and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning. I'm your host Gary G, and this week we're gonna continue with the 68 Chevelle Turbo. But first, as always, the riddle. Last week we showed some footage from the engine build. Well, this week we take care on the interior. We use some thread for the seat seams, cut out the door panels, we drilled out the gauges, including some printed out gauges, and also made the floor carpet. So enjoy this week's video about the interior. The Chevrolet Chevelle was a mid-sized automobile which was produced by Chevrolet in 3 generations. The first generation started in 1964. But how long was the name Chevelle used? Answer in the riddle. At the end of the show, I wanna thank you guys all for tuning in every Saturday. See you next Saturday at Cut Dreams in Styrene. Be safe and keep on building those awesome models out there. Bye bye, my friends.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.